Hey, are you searching for penny stocks and want to know what is the real truth behind the scene of penny stocks? You have reached this video only because of this question, whether you should invest in penny stocks or not. I think your answer will be yes. And yeah, we will discuss all major aspects of penny stocks in this video that you must have to know before investing in them. But before going to the video, let me tell you something. For getting acquainted with interesting case studies and lessons on stock market, investment, and financial plans, please subscribe to our channel Finance World. And click the bell icon so as to be notified about the latest videos. In today's video we are going to discuss penny stocks, and whether you must choose to invest in them or not. To start with, let us understand what penny stocks are. These are those stocks which have a low price and market capitalization practically. There's not a fixed price range of penny stocks, but in general terms the stocks with a price range of 5 to 20 cents are categorized as the penny stocks. Some investors, especially beginners, often hold this view that buying many stocks with low prices is better than buying a few stocks at a high price. For instance, if they have 50,000 cents, then they prefer to buy penny stocks for, let's say, 10 cents each and get around 5,000 shares instead of buying stocks with the price of 1,000 cents each and getting 50 shares. They think that even if the price of such penny stock increases by 5 to 10 cents, then they will be able to get significant profit with so many shares in hand. But let me clear this thing, that hoping for more profit with penny stocks is not value for time. Something it may take 10 to 20 years to make some profit from penny stocks. Despite the risks, small investors are putting big money in low-priced penny stocks. This is not a good practice, but they are lured by the fantastic returns that some stocks have delivered in the past few months. If you wish to participate in this high-risk market, there are a few guidelines if you want to invest in penny stocks. But before going to the steps, let me revise you what are penny stocks for better understanding. Are you ready to know? Here it is. What are penny stocks? Penny stock is a term used to describe a stock that is worth a penny. Penny stocks are those that trade at a cheap price, have a little market capitalization, are mainly illiquid, and are often listed on a smaller exchange. Penny stocks can trade for less than 10 cents on any stock exchange. Because of their lack of liquidity, small number of owners, huge bid-ask spreads, and restricted disclosure of information, these stocks are regarded as very hazardous. I hope this helps you a lot, and now you are curious to know how to invest in penny stocks that can help you to make better decisions. If you want to go with penny stocks, my suggestion is to go with small amounts. To understand it, let's start this with our first point, that is 1. Don't invest large amounts. Don't put too much faith in these high-risk investments. Penny stocks should not make up more than 10% of your entire equity holdings. Only put money into investments that you can afford to lose. 2. Invest only in 2 to 3 stocks. Diversification does not work in this situation. Invest in a small number of penny stocks rather than a big number of them. Spreading your money over a portfolio of low-cost stocks will not result in substantial returns. 3. Don't invest and forget. Make sure, penny stock investing should be viewed as a short-term gamble rather than a long-term plan. Remember, it may be time to leave or at least record some profits if the stock experiences a strong increase. Some investors believe that their gains will be tax-free if they wait a year. However, the stock may have dropped by that time. Set a goal for yourself and leave when you've met it. Holding penny stocks for an extended period of time is not a good idea. 4. Buy stocks with high volumes. Some penny stocks are extremely undervalued. For example, Titan Securities' average daily volume for the last month was merely 3 shares. So, if you own 5,000 shares of the firm, selling them when you want to sell them will be tough. Invest in equities with a large trading volume so that there is plenty of liquidity. Consider the monthly average rather than just one day's trade. And let's move to our last, but not the least step, that is 5. Never let success change your strategy. The 4 most hazardous words in the market, according to experts, are "it's different this time." Early-stage investors are prone to being carried away by their success and making errors. If you don't want to lose your shirt in this market, remember the 4 investment guidelines listed in this video and make sure to stick to it until a change in market. These are some steps you must follow before investing in penny stocks. And if you want this type of amazing content regularly, then please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channels for more updates like this. In future we will provide you more amazing content like this. For that please subscribe to this channel and like this video.